build up cartel. A Jamaican build up weak emotion power.
Many of you have an issue with my blogs, standing up for my Jamaican women. But when I read and are reading your comments, it's obvious that you don't know about Jamaican women and how Jamaican women treat their men. How many of you has ever seen the Jamaican women going into prison to visit their partners? You need to go at the bus stop or at the prison door of General Penitentiary and the other prisons and to see what's happening on visiting days. Let me tell you something. The males in the prisons are getting oxtail. They are getting the most expensive food, underwear, and footwear. Jamaican women are buying them and taking them in the prison for their men. They left gone to prison with 6 and 7 children, and Jamaican women are taking care of those 6 and 7 children. And every visiting days, they found the most expensive meals to take to prison to give to their partners every week. Did you know that Jamaican female in prisons don't get visits? You need to go to the entrance of the woman prison and see what happened there on visiting days. When it is family day, females are there for doing 15 years for life who has never gotten one visit in their lives. As a female got to prison, her partner left her. They cut off all communication with the female prisoner, both with their children, parents hardly visit, and women in whatever the prison name in Jamaica are not getting any visits. So when I speak, I am not only just speaking because I have a mouth. I am speaking from experience. I was a probation officer. I go into the prisons and I know what happened in there. Jamaican women are resolute. Jamaican women are strong. Jamaican women are determined. Jamaican women put their men first. Yes, it is said that we give the most jacket, but everything comes with a cost. Because a lot of you Jamaican men fail to provide for your family. And if you left and go a road and don't leave any food, when you come back, your Jamaican woman are going to ensure that you get food to eat. Your Jamaican woman, when you left Ghana foreign and don't look back on your Jamaican woman, every children are gone to school tomorrow morning. Jamaican women run houses. So you don't come tell me anything. You want to tell me that all of them who run got married to light-skinned woman, after them give the Jamaican woman them 6 and 7 children, them couldn't find them for married to? My family member for her husband left her gone foreign with how much children go find woman up there and don't remember back him woman when him have down a yard? What are you saying? Jamaican women stand tall. We take care of our men. So if you don't like it, it's your business. If you don't like my comments, it's your business. Just go to the prison door. Go to Portmore 100-man lockup, visiting there, and look at the quality meals that going in. Go to the prison, Fort Augustus, Horizon. Just go to the prison door and just take a look at what the women are bringing into the prisons to give their men. And then you will come back and understand what I am saying.